High availability and health checks. An elastic load balancer is highly available. You can distribute incoming traffic across your Amazon EC2 instances in a single availability zone or multiple availability zones. An elastic load balancer automatically scales its request, handling capacity in response to incoming application traffic. To ensure that your targets are available and healthy, Elastic Load Balancer runs health checks on targets. To discover the availability of your Amazon EC2 instances, the load balancer periodically sends pings, attempts connections, or sends requests to test the Amazon EC2 instances. With Elastic Load Balancing, you get improved insight into the health of your applications in two ways. First, health check improvements that allow you to configure detailed error codes. And second, new metrics that give insight into traffic for each of the services running on an EC2 instance. Security. ELB provision within an Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon VPC, can leverage its network security features. When using VPC, you can create and manage security groups associated with Elastic Load Balancing to provide additional networking and security options for Application Load Balancer and Classic Load Balancer. You can configure any of the load balancers to be internet-facing, or create a load balancer without public IP addresses to serve as an internal load balancer. High throughput. Elastic Load Balancer is designed to handle traffic as it grows and can load balance millions of requests per second. It can also handle sudden volatile traffic patterns. Elastic Load Balancers support sticky sessions. Sticky sessions are a mechanism to route requests from the same client to the same target. Stickiness is defined at a target group level. Delete protection. You can enable deletion protection on an Elastic Load Balancer to prevent it from being accidentally deleted. Operational monitoring and logging. Amazon Cloud Watch reports application and classic load balancer metrics, such as request counts, request latency, error types and counts, and more. Amazon Cloud Watch also tracks network and gateway load balancer metrics, such as active flow count, new flow count, processed bytes, and more. Elastic Load Balancers are also integrated with AWS CloudTrail, which tracks API calls to the ELB.